It's 11 pm. You have just reached your dream destination after a very long flight. You're standing at the baggage belt. Everyone has picked their bags and left. But the baggage belt stops and your bag isn't there. Or even worse, you are on a taxi on a vacation. But you reach out for your pocket and your passport is gone. We all make intricate plans and hunt for the best value for our vacation plans, but fail to protect us against unforeseen risks that can ruin everything. Things can go wrong, and when they do, the language barrier and unfamiliar systems in international destinations can turn a dream holiday into a nightmare very quickly. Today, we are not talking about the top 10 beaches, we are talking about reality. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do in the 7 worst case scenarios when traveling in international destinations. Better be prepared than sorry. The golden rules. Before we jump into the scenarios, you need to adopt these 2 golden rules of crisis travel. Rule number 1. Do not panic. Panicking paralyzes you. In any foreign country, getting angry or shouting at officials usually makes things worse. Stay calm, smile, and be firm. Rule number 2. Insurance is not optional. If you are traveling to any international destination without comprehensive travel insurance, you are gambling with your life savings. It costs less than a nice dinner, but it saves you lakhs if things go wrong. Keep your insurance policy number saved on your phone's lock screen. Now let's tackle the disasters. The airport views, lost baggage and flight chaos. Scenario number 1. Lost baggage. You are at an international airport and your suitcase didn't arrive. The immediate action: don't leave the baggage hall. Find the baggage services, counter for your airline immediately. You need to file a PIR. Do not leave the airport without this document and a reference number.
Usually, bags on connecting flights just miss the transfer. They often arrive on the next flight 6 to 12 hours later. Most airlines will deliver it to your hotel. If your bag is delayed more than 12 or 24 hours, check your policy. Insurance will give you an allowance to buy essentials such as toiletries, a change of clothes. Keep every single receipt. Crucial Indian travel tip: never put medicines, expensive jewelry, or car keys in check-in luggage. Keep those in your cabin bag. Scenario number 2. Excessive flight delays and cancellations. Many Indians prefer budget airlines. Delays happen, especially during monsoon season. If it's a 2 to 3 hour delay, grab a coffee and wait. It's normal. If it's a cancellation or a 6+ hour delay on a connecting flight, if you book the flights yourself on different PNRs and the first flight delays the second, the airline is usually not responsible. You have to buy a new ticket. This is where missed connection travel insurance saves you. If the airline cancels the return flight to India, go to their counter immediately. Demand rebooking on the next available flight, even on a partner airline. If they refuse, get it in writing that they cancelled. You will need this for an insurance claim later. The big fears: passport and health. Scenario number 3. Lost passport. This is the one that stops the trip cold. If you lose your Indian passport anywhere, you cannot just fly home. Step 1. Go to the nearest local police station immediately. You need a police report confirming it was lost or stolen. You may need a translator app here. Step number 2. Contact the nearest Indian embassy or consultant. Phone numbers available online. You will need the passport report, passport photos. Always carry 4 spares from India. Photocopies of your old passport and visa. Always keep digital copies in your email and physical copies in a separate bag. The embassy will issue an emergency certificate just to get you back to India. This takes time, sometimes 2 to 3 days, sometimes a week. Your vacation is effectively over and you will have to pay for extra hotel nights and new flights. Again, insurance covers some of this if you have a police report. Scenario number 4. Medical emergency. A scooter accident or severe food poisoning. The immediate action: get to a hospital. Crucial step: before any major procedure is done, you or your travel companion must call the 24/7 emergency assistance number on your travel insurance policy. For small things, you usually pay cash first and claim later in India. Keep all medical reports and bills. For major hospitalization, the insurance company needs to arrange cashless treatment directly with the hospital. Read the terms and conditions for your insurance policy to understand the ratio of cashless components. For any larger incident, do cooperate with local authorities and submit your written statement.
Do not hand over your passport to a hospital as a deposit if you can avoid it. Give them your insurance details instead. Lost your belongings, theft and forgotten items. Scenario number 5. Theft. Hotel versus outside. Outside theft, example snatching, if any such incident occurs like bag or jewelry snatching in busy areas, do not try to be a hero. Go straight to the police for a report for insurance. Major tourist spots have tourist helpline centers or helpline numbers. Contact if you need help immediately. Hotel theft. If something goes missing from your room, report it to the front desk immediately. You demand they check electronic door lock records to see who entered. It is very hard to prove hotel theft unless there are cameras in the corridor. Always use the in-room safe for passports and extra cash. Scenario number 6. Forgotten items, hotel/car. You left your phone in a rented taxi or your expensive sunglasses at a hotel room and now you are in a different city. The chances of recovery depend heavily on where you are. App-based taxi. The apps have excellent lost item help centers. Drivers are usually honest and will return it for a small tip. Hotels, call them immediately. If they find it, shipping it back to India is expensive and customs is a nightmare. Try to get them to send it to your next destination in the same country or hold it for a friend traveling later. Your travel agency can help in recovery of such items. Segment 4. Mother Nature. Scenario number 7. Sudden weather issues. Weather is beyond anyone's control. If a typhoon warning is issued, flights and ferries will stop. If the seas are rough, the authorities will ban small boats and water sports will get cancelled. The rule: do not be a hero. If the locals say the boats aren't running to the island, so don't try to bribe someone to take you or force your agency to arrange alternatives. If you get stuck on an island due to weather, contact your airline or travel agent immediately to reschedule return flights. Weather is considered an act of God, so airline compensation is rare, but travel insurance might cover extra accommodation costs if the delay is significant. Listen, I know this sounds scary, but millions of Indians travel to international destinations every year and they have the time of their lives without facing any issues. These scenarios are rare, but being prepared is what separates a ruined trip from a manageable hiccup. This is also why many families prefer booking with an agency like ours rather than doing it DIY. When you book with us, you aren't just buying a flight and a hotel, you are buying a support system. If your flight is cancelled, you don't sit on hold with an airline boat for 3 hours. You call us on our personal numbers and we deal with the airline while you go get dinner. If you need a doctor, we tell you exactly which hospital to go to. We are your safety net. If you found this honest guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. Share this with anyone who is planning to travel international, especially the parents who are traveling alone. Subscribe to our channel for more real conversations like this. Safe journey, everyone.